Stop wearing puffer jackets in the summer to fake your gains, bro. That invisible chest is a certified psychological trauma. Turn sideways at the pool and your girl will legit think she's dating a slice of sandwich bread, while riding a bike makes your shirt stick to your ribs like a runaway lab skeleton. Want a sternum line so deep it could trap a credit card and split your shirt open? Ditch the grandpa Tai Chi routines and smash these 9 dumbbell chest cheat codes right now. Exercise 1. Standing inner chest squeeze, using a post. The pole-hugging desperation. Standing up and violently crushing a random gym post like you are hugging your long-lost lover forces your inner chest into an intense isometric panic. This awkward setup forces stubborn cleavage fibers to grow. Post-hugging, inner crackline explosion. Exercise 2. Lying landmine squeeze press on floor. The heavy metal floor sandwich. Lying down and squeezing a thick barbell sleeve between your palms while pushing upward feels like an active chest robbery. This floor setup deletes all shoulder cheating, forcing your lower and inner pec fibers to build a dense wall of raw armor. Barbell squeezing panic. Exercise 3. Plate-weighted lying Svend press. The slippery gravity pancake trap. Lying flat on the floor and crushing raw weight plates between your hands turns your inner chest into a volcanic frying pan. If you relax for a single microsecond, the heavy iron will flatten your face, forcing non-stop muscle tension for survival. Face-saving iron pinch. Exercise 4. Plank rolling dumbbell floor fly. The sliding floor split disaster. Holding a plank while sliding a roller or dumbbell out wide feels like your upper body is actively getting torn apart. This terrifying core and chest execution builds crazy stabilization, forcing your pecs to scream for mercy on the way back up. Plank sliding warfare. Exercise 5. Single dumbbell squeeze push-up. The balancing knuckle buster. Placing both hands flat on top of a single vertical dumbbell and doing push-ups turns your workout into a circus balancing act. Crushing the dumbbell handle inward while pushing your body up forces a brutal inner chest pump that completely ruins your shirts. Circus balance press. Exercise 6. Incline single dumbbell handle grip Svend press. The high-angle handle murder. Lying on an incline bench while death-gripping a single dumbbell handle from both sides targets your upper chest shelf. Smashing your palms together forces an intense, high-stakes burning sensation directly underneath your collarbone. Upper shelf torture drive. Exercise 7. Standing chest-supported cable fly. The locked-in cable interrogation. Pressing your chest hard against a pad while flying the cables forward destroys your favorite hip-swinging habits. This surgical strictness isolates the pectoral fibers with absolute laser precision, delivering a juicy pump that makes you look huge. No swing cable slapping. Exercise 8. Lever-seated fly. The mechanical iron wing machine. Sitting in the machine chest press cage and sweeping your arms inside an unyielding steel track removes all balancing guesswork. The relentless lever tension stretches your chest apart, molding a beautiful, wide body shape that commands respect at the local beach. Machine Cage Sweep. Exercise 9. Seated Weighted Svend Press. The lazy schoolboy chest crusher. Sitting upright with zero leg drive and violently squeezing a weight plate outward isolates your inner chest with zero momentum. This strict variation forces your upper torso to carry the entire heavy burden alone, proving you do not need benches to build mass. Seated Iron Crush.